Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be discussing the fourth industrial revolution or Industry 4.0 and its impact on the modern economy, industry, and society. Images and graphics related to Industry 4.0, such as smart factories, robotics, and IoT devices. Industry 4.0 refers to the integration of advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and cloud computing into manufacturing and other industries. The goal of Industry 4.0 is to create smart factories that can respond to changing demand in real time and achieve greater collaboration between humans and machines. Footage of a modern factory, showing robots and other automated systems working together with human operators. Industry 4.0 is expected to increase productivity, improve quality, reduce costs, and create new tech-related jobs and business models. Charts and graphs showing the growth of technology jobs and the decline of traditional manufacturing jobs. However, the transition to Industry 4.0 is also expected to bring about challenges, such as job losses in some industries and the need for workers to reskill and acquire new competencies. Images of workers undergoing training and retraining programs. Despite challenges, Industry 4.0 is expected to boost competitiveness, improve quality of life, and create new opportunities for businesses and workers. Images of modern factories and products, showcasing the increased efficiency and customization that is possible with Industry 4.0 technologies. And the impact of Industry 4.0 is not limited to just the economy and industry, it is also shaping modern-day society. With the integration of IoT devices into our daily lives, we are now able to access information and services in ways that were once unthinkable. Images of smart homes, connected devices, and wearable technology. With increasing data generation, the importance of data analysis and new technologies like big data and predictive analytics is growing. Charts and graphs showing the growth of data generation and analysis. In conclusion, Industry 4.0 is shaping the future of work and commerce, and it will be fascinating to see how it continues to evolve in the coming years. Its impact on modern-day society is significant, and it will be interesting to see how it continues to shape the way we live, work, and play. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, take care.